How to understand your boyfriend, explained by cats.
Huh?
Boyfriend, kitty say, I'm fine. He's fine. Not a trap, no puzzle, just fine. Ask what he's thinking, he say, nothing means nothing. Brain empty, wind blowing between whiskers. Boyfriend, kitty gaming, leaned back, laughing safe to approach. Share snacks, maybe even cuddle. Boyfriend kitty leaned forward. Silent, focused, do not approach. Boss fight active, one wrong meow. Returned her death. Kitty not mad, just zoning. If he goes quiet, let him recharge. Sometimes he's thinking about tuna, sometimes nothing at all. Both are normal. Love is sitting near. No words, just purring, watching him exist. Maybe paw, touching under blanket. He don't need fixing, just snacks, soft blanket, and one big kiss on his stupid little head.